Boy named Santiago, he wanted to travel the world and explore new places, so he became a shepherd. One day he decided to spend a night near church where he had a same dream that night as a week ago. So he consulted with Gypsy about his dream and told her that in his dream a strange child came and began to play with his sheep and suddenly took his both hand and transported him to the pyramid of Egypt and said, "Here you will find your treasure." So that the gypsy suggested him, "You have to go Egypt for your treasure." Although the dream was so simple, but she also not able to understand and say it's the most simple thing in life that are the extraordinary. So that the boy, by selling all his ships, collected money and went to Egypt, where his money had stolen. Where his money had stolen, he felt so alone among the strangers. He also don't know their language, and he was started crying in a strange street. So he decided to went back to his country. When he when he went back to his country, he met with a man who know his language. So he told about his situation, and the man said him, "If you go back to your country, probably in the first year you will be very happy with your sheep and your family. Sometimes during the second year, the omens started speaking about your dream. The omens speaking about your dream, and you try to ignore them. And during the third and fourth year, you walk night after night, and you become unhappy, and your family also become very sad because they think that we are the reason for the quit of your dream, and you didn't pursue your destiny, and now it's too late. You have to understand, man, love never keeps a man away from his destiny. Dreams are the language of God, and to pursue one destiny is the only real obligation of a person on this earth." And now the boy understood what he had to do now. Thank you.